If you're trying to figure out which ultra-level camera phone actually wins in real life, this one gets interesting fast. I've been testing the Sony Xperia VIII, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and Xiaomi 17 Ultra side by side, and they each feel like they're built for a completely different type of photographer. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is the easiest to live with. It's punchy, bright, and heavily AI processed, so you get social media-ready shots every time. And that extreme zoom? Still the king for faraway detail. Then there's the Sony Xperia VIII. This one feels like a mini alpha camera in your pocket. Colors are natural, dynamic range is excellent, but you really need to know what you're doing with the manual controls. And the Xiaomi 17 Ultra? Honestly, it's the zoom and low-light surprise. That smooth optical transition between focal lengths gives it a very real camera feel. Bottom line, Samsung for convenience, Sony for control, Xiaomi for optical purity.